children, good morning everyone. Today I will discuss in maths. Our topic is rupees and paise, chapter number 14. Okay, so student, today I will discuss rupees and paise related exercise. Okay, so exercise in first question is convert into paise. Convert into paise. Okay, so student, you know that 1 rupees is equal to 200 paise. First, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So student, here different type of rupees are given. So convert into paise. So first, rupees 4 is equal to paise. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So 4 rupee is equal to 400 paise. Understood? Now rupees 7. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise and rupees 7 is equal to 700 paise. Number 3. Rupees 8.50. 8.50 means 8 rupees is equal to 800 paise. 0.50. So 850 paise. Here 800 paise and 50 paise. You can add here 0.588 paise. Understood? Now here 10 rupees 0.50 paise. So 10 rupees. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. 10 rupees is equal to first 1000. Okay? 1000 plus 50. So answer 1050 paise. Now rupees 50 is equal to 50. So 5000 paise. 50 and 20. 63.25. So 6300 paise and 25. 6325 paise. 100 is equal to how many paise, student? So 100 put 2 zeros, 10,000. How many paise? 10,000. 150. So 150 put 2 zeros, 15,000 paise. 70. 7,000 paise. 78.75 is equal to 7,875 paise. Understood? So remove point. Okay? In point also they are removed. Now 4 rupees 400 paise, 7 rupees 700 paise, 8.50 rupees is equal to 850 paise. Now 10.50 rupees. So 1050 paise. Next 50 rupees. So 50 rupees. So first 50 to 50. Understood? Now put 2 zeros. Okay? So 5000 paise. 63.25 rupees is equal to 6325 paise. Rupees 100 is equal to, so first put 100 to 100 and put 2 zeros, so 10,000 paise. 150 rupees 150, so 150 put 2 zeros, so 15,000 paise. Rupees 70, 7,000 paise. 78.75, 7,875 paise. Understood, student? Now write in your notebook first question, convert into paise. Now student, new point, convert into rupees. First I discussed convert into paise, but here convert into rupees. So 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. Okay, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So first here 675 paise, okay, is equal to dash rupees. So first 600 here, 600 plus 75, so 600 6.75 rupees. Understood? 6.75 rupees. Now number 2, 800 paise. So 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. Therefore 800 paise is equal to 8 rupees. 925 paise is equal to dash rupees. So 900 plus 25. So 9.25 rupees. Number 4, 155 paise. So 100 plus 55, so 1.55 rupees. Number 5, 1300 paise is equal to dash rupees. So 1300, so 13 rupees. Now number 6, 525 paise is equal to dash rupees. So 500 plus 25, so 5.25 rupees. Okay. Now number 7, 590 paise. So 500 plus 90, 5.90 rupees. Okay. 3000 paise is equal to dash rupees. So 3000 here 100 paise is equal to 1 rupees. So here 30 means 30. Okay. Here 30 rupees. Now number 9, 4500 paise is equal to dash rupees. So remove 2 zeros, 45 rupees. 690 paise is equal to dash rupees. So first 600 plus 90. So here 6.90 paise. Rupees. 6.90 rupees. Okay. Now remove 2 zero, convert into rupees and add 2 zero, convert into paise. Understood, student? So write in your notebook, convert into rupees. Now student, add the following here in rupees. I will discuss addition. Understood? Now number 1, rupees 3.00 plus rupees 6.50. Number 2, rupees 9.50 plus rupees 12.50. Okay? So here in rupees with paise, I will discuss in addition. Okay? So first simply we generally add the following. So as it is here 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 5 5, point 0 point, 2 point and 6 plus 3 9. Rupees 9.50 means ke 9 rupees 50 paise. Okay? Number 2, 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 5 10. Carry goes on, 100 place value 1. Here 100 place value means between point. So put here point. 1 plus 9 10. 10 plus 2 12. Carry goes on. Next number 1 plus 1 2. 22.00 means 22 rupees. Only 22 rupees. Number 0 plus 0 0. 5 plus 5 10. Carry goes on. Next number 1 plus 5 6 plus 8 14. Carry goes on. Next number 1 plus 4 5 plus 5 10. Point. Put here 1 10 100. 1 10 100 here. Rupees 104 only. Okay. Now number 4. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. Put point. Next number. And 0 plus 5, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 1, 2. Rupees 235 only. 0 plus 0, point. 5 plus 5, 10. Carry goes on. Next number. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. Carry goes on. Next number. Number 1 plus 1, 2. Rupees 270 only. Okay? 0. 5 plus 5, 10. 1. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 1. Put point here. 5 plus 5, 10, 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Rupees 601 only. Okay, students? So, write in your notebook at the following. Okay? Now student, next subtract the following. So generally we subtract same means without point. Okay, so here given in rupees. So first rupees 8.50 minus rupees 6.50. So generally 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 0.6 minus 8 minus 6, 2. Only 2 rupees. Now 2. 0 minus 0, 0. Here 0 minus 5. So 5 is bigger than 0. So take borrow. Here borrow 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Point below point. Okay, here 9. Okay, 10 borrow, then next 0. So we borrow 9. So 9 minus 7, 2. And here 0. 0 here not given number means 0. So 0. Rupees 2.50. Okay. Now number 3. 0 minus 0, 0. Here 0 minus 5. So 5 is bigger than 0. So take borrow 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Point. Here minus 1 number. So 7. So here 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Then 2 minus 1, 1. Rupees and point 50. 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 0, 5. Point below point. 0 minus 5, so 5 is bigger than 0. And borrow 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Here 2. 2 minus 6. Here 6 is bigger than 2. So what take 12. 12 minus 6, 6. Here 1, so 0, put here 0. 65.50 rupees. Now 0, 0 minus 0, 0. Point. 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 9. So here 9 is bigger than 7. Take borrow 17. 17 minus 8, 9. So 8. 8 plus 9, 17. So 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. Here 0. 0. Okay. So rupees 80.00 means 80 rupees. Now last number 6. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. Point. 0 minus 5. So 5 is bigger than 0. Take borrow 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Here 4. 4 minus 2, 2. And 4 minus 2, 2. 225 rupees. Understood, student? So subtract, write in your notebook. Now student, next point, solve the following problem. So here given what problems? So first here, Meena had rupees 58.50. Vaishali gave rupees 45.50 to her. How many rupees does Meena have now? So here first, Meena had, your answer. Meena had is equal to rupees 58.50. Vaishali gave to her rupees 45.50. How many rupees does Meena have now? Here Meena has total rupees is equal to 0 here plus, okay, 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 5 10, 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 5 14, 1 plus 5 6 plus 4 10. Put point here. Total Meena has 104 rupees. Now number 2, Virendra had rupees 95. He got rupees 50.50 selling his old shoes. How many rupees does Virendra have now? Answer: Virendra had is equal to rupees 95.00, means total 95 rupees. He got by selling his shoes is equal to rupees 50.50. So here we will add plus, okay, 0 plus 5 put point here, 5 and 9 plus 5 14, 145.50 rupees, okay. So here Virendra has rupees 145.50. Okay, student, write in your notebook both word problem. Now student number 3, Jignesh gave rupees 100 for the ticket of rupees 72.50. Here gave rupees total rupees 100 for the ticket of rupees 72.50. How much money will he get back with the ticket? So here first, Jignesh gave total rupees. Total rupees is equal to 100.00. Total 100 rupees. For the ticket. So here write ticket is equal to rupees 72.50. Okay, so here we will subtract. Okay, how much money will he get back with the ticket? So Jignesh gets back is equal to 0 minus 0 0, 10 because bigger than 0. 10 minus 5, 5 point, here 9. 9 minus 2, 7. Again 9 because here 0. 9 minus 7, 2, 0. Okay. 27.50 rupees. Jignesh gets back. 0 minus 0, 0. 10, 5, 9. Then 9, 0. 7, 9, 7, 2. Understood, students? Write in your notebook. Number 3 word problem. I will send another word problem, addition, subtraction. Do yourself. Solve the sums in your maths notebook.